Former Thai Prime Minister Thaksin Shinawatra accused his detractors on Thursday of false patriotism for the way they have reacted to his appointment as economic advisor to Cambodia. He was speaking at his first official engagement in the role before 300 economists and officials at the Ministry of Finance in Phnom Penh. Thaksin was ousted as Prime Minister by a military coup after being accused of corruption and showing disrespect to the country's constitutional monarch. He is currently living in exile to avoid a 2-year prison term imposed by a criminal court for corruption.
Prosper thy neighbor is the principle. A prosperous neighbor means greater opportunities for us to grow together. Of course, not all my compatriots see it that way right now. I do not believe those who do not share our vision now are myopic. Their domestic political compulsions force them to false patriotism. Let's pray that they too will one day appreciate this partnership for progress.
On Wednesday, Thailand formally requested his extradition, only to have it rejected out of hand by Prime Minister Hun Sen. Cambodia said Thaksin's conviction was politically motivated and therefore not covered by the country's extradition treaty.